Cyber Dragon. Today I'm going to talk about Honey web browser and how to save money on their website by applying coupons. And I'll talk about how to earn extra money for gift cards for future purchases. Alright, Honey web browser is a website that you can first thing you gotta do, you can download on Chrome Web Store, Google Chrome Web Store, and then hit the install the extension, and all they do is find the best prices on Amazon and over 1,000 different other websites and compare the prices based on, and it also show you the market trend, like what's the best time to buy certain items during their lowest season, and their price are always drop down. And you can get email notifications online as well, and based on you set the percentages and how many days, a 30-day, 60-day, or 90-day. And if you have any questions, just email them and they'll talk to you. Okay, how friends pretty much get paid. First, you can enter email address and then invite them, or go through Gmail and send a flood of email to every single friend you have. Or you can also copy the link and post it on Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, and other social media platforms. For until you reach about, you can complete up to about 200 referrals. For every friend that makes their first purchase, you both get 500 honey gold. The, the honey gold can be redeemed for a $10 gift card. See how much they say it takes. How do you use honey gold? Join, activate gold, redeem gold. Earn 1,000 gold. It takes 1,000 gold. So it's pretty much just like two friends. Boom, 1,000, $10. Every two friends, $10 gift card. Very simple, not very hard. And there's other ways to boost your rewards. You can shop. They also have all the websites and their links connected, and you can earn about 1 to 20% on Ring Central. That's pretty much cash back. And it's same with like Ragutan, which compare like spend money on this website and from your favorite retail stores, and then get a certain percentage back in the form of usually a check or a gift card, or sometimes even PayPal. Let's see. Add disclosure. And you can and there you can also download the app for Honey web browser on your Google Play Store or Apple Store. You can get the app, easier to shopping. First thing I'm gonna apply, I'll show you right here. Okay, Adidas soccer ball, $14.99. Coupons applied. You can also apply coupons again. Usually take 5 to 10 seconds based on your computer speed while it's loading. And most websites will have like a same product, and many people they usually buy them. But sometimes they compare the website. Sometimes they don't find anybody has the same products. But also compares around over 1,000 stores, online retail stores as well. It's there. if you do it on Amazon, most of the time you find the best price. Is it right now? If there's soccer ball, you already have the best price. But it's you can try 9 more coupons that are unlikely to work. If you like to try them anyway, just click the orange button. It'll take about 54 seconds. That's what it estimate it takes. And it also has like a price comparison for the product. If you just hit here, and you can also follow stores online. Follow your favorite store to get sale alerts, new coupons, and personalized recommendation on your feed. And then you also have an account. 50 gold coins for joining. 50 gold coins for trying to demo. Invite up to many friends. Get up to 100,000 gold. Then you can redeem it for gift cards when you hit 1,000. Get $5 worth of gold for every friend invite. Hit the copy link. Also post description as well. And then you can set your prices. You can set like, okay, the best time to buy certain product. 5% to 99% within a 30, 60, or 90 day category. And they'll search for prices. Once they find the price of what product you want, you haven't even bought it yet. And just send you an email. It's like, right now is the best time to buy. And they'll tell you like the quantity limit and quickly buy it or you missed the opportunity. Hope you guys like this video. Hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel Cyber Dragon. And I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.